Welcome to the Senior Quizzer. Get ready to test your observation skill by spotting the odd numbers, letters, and emojis. These video features include exciting quizzes starting easy and getting more challenging as you go. Are you ready for the challenge? Let's go! Come on for the first round. Can you find the odd emoji that's different? Senior Quizzer, time is up. Great! That's the odd emoji. Quiz number 2. Next challenge, spot the emoji that doesn't belong. Senior Quizzer, time up. Wow, amazing! That's right answer. Quiz number 3. Hi legends, can you find the odd numbers 25 within given time? Senior Quizzer, hurry up, time is running out. Wow, you genius! Quiz number 4. Hello legends, spot the order 5V before time runs out. Quick, the clock is ticking. Wow, outstanding! Quiz number 5. Hi quiz master, can you find the odd number 70 within given time? Don't waste, time is out. Wow, you've got eagle eyes. Test number 6. Hello legends, which country has the city of Cape Town? Time up. Yes, South Africa is right option. Quiz number 7. Focus up. Can you find the hidden odd emoji in this picture? Time up. That's right, you're doing great. Challenge number 8. Hi smart minds, find the odd number 80 within given time. Guys, move fast. Time up. Brilliant work. Test number 9. Which country has the city of Seoul? Hurry up, Senior Quizzer. Time up. Yes, South Korea is right option. Challenge number 10. Hello champion, test your IQ level to find YK among KY. Time out. Wow, impressive observation. Quiz 11. Among these emoji, one of them is not like the others. Can you find it? Time out. Wow, sharp eyes, you find it. Challenge number 12. Hi legends, can you name this logo? Hurry up, Senior Quizzer. Time out. Yes, MC Donald's. Only sharp eyes can find 58 among 85 within given time. Time out. Wow, amazing. Which country is home to Machu Picchu? Senior quizzer, time is up. Yes, Peru is right option. Challenge number 15. Hello superstar, can you find the odd letters XU within given time? Wow, you nailed it. Quiz number 16. Hi winner, are your eyes sharp like an eagle? Time at 0. Fantastic job. Quiz number 17. One of the emoji looks a bit unusual. Can you find it? Yes, that's the difference one. Challenge number 18. Guys, guess the famous logo in 10 seconds. Hurry up, time moves fast. Time out. Yes, Audi. Quiz 19. Hello legends, can you find the odd number 32 among 33? Time out. Wow, yaar, puzzle master. Test number 20. Focus up guys. Can you find the hidden emoji in this picture? Time up. Wow, you're on fire. Quiz number 21. Which country is known as the land of fire and ice? Time finish. Yes, Iceland. Quiz number 22. Hi Eagle Eyes, can you beat these puzzles before time runs out? Time is out. Wow, super sharp eyes. Quiz 23. Hi awesome viewers, can you identify the odd numbers within given time? Challenge number 24. Hi future genius, spot the unique number. Time is finished. Wow, you're on fire. Quiz 25. Hi my respectable viewers, can you find the odd emoji among them? Have you sharp eyes? Then find the odd numbers before time runs out. Hello quiz star, test your observation skill to find the odd emoji within given time. Test 28. Which country is famous for the Northern Lights? Time is up. Yes, Norway is right option. Test your observation skill to find the odd emoji within given time. Guys, are you quiz lover? Then find the odd numbers within given time. Only eagle eyes can find the odd letters before time runs out. Quiz 32. Guess the company logo. Time out. Yes, Microsoft logo. Nobody can find the odd number 32 within given time. Quiz 34. Name the famous brand. Time up. Yes, Adidas. Challenge 35. Nobody can find the odd emoji within given time. Hello legends, can you find the unique number within given time? Quiz 37. Hi quiz lover, can you find the odd emoji? Only star guys can find the odd numbers before time runs out. Only Rockman can find the odd letters Are you sharp eyes? Then find the odd numbers within 15 seconds. Hello genius, can you find the odd letters within given timer? Hello quiz legends, can you find the odd numbers within given timer bar? Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score in comment box.